In our previous lecture, we explored the complexities of defining crime and introduced the key elements of criminology. Now, let's delve deeper into the vast scope of the field and why it plays a crucial role in our society. The wide reach of criminology. Let's break down the scope of criminology into its primary areas of study. The nature of crime. Criminologists investigate types of crime, their frequency and geographic distribution. They analyze crime statistics, police reports and victimization surveys to paint a picture of prevailing crime patterns. Causes of crime. This field is rich with various theories explaining why individuals commit crimes. Researchers investigate biological, psychological and sociological factors as well as the influence of environment and opportunity. The criminal justice system. Criminology closely examines law enforcement, courts and correctional system. It evaluates their effectiveness, fairness, potential biases and their impact on both offenders and society. Crime prevention and rehabilitation. A key goal of criminology is to inform strategies that deter crime and reduce recidivism. This involves research on programs for youth, offender rehabilitation models, and community-based prevention approaches. Criminology doesn't operate in a vacuum. It draws heavily on and contributes to other disciplines. Sociology examines social structures impacting crime like poverty, inequality, and social disorganization. Psychology provides insights into criminal behavior including motivations, mental health, and personality traits. Law informs our legal system, shaping laws and influencing policies for punishment and rehabilitation. Public policy. Evidence-based criminological research guides sound decision-making in areas like resource allocation and program design. The importance of criminology. Reducing crime. Criminology provides a systematic way of understanding crime, ultimately helping us design effective crime prevention strategies. Ensuring justice and fairness. It helps identify potential biases or inequalities within the criminal justice system, working towards creating a more just and equitable approach. Informing policy and practice. Research plays a critical role in shaping the criminal justice system, guiding policies on everything from policy methods to rehabilitation programs. Promoting public understanding. Criminology seeks to challenge misconceptions surrounding crime. It helps the public make informed judgments about issues related to law and order. Improving lives by offering insights into the pathways leading to criminal behavior. Criminology contributes to reducing the harm caused by crime and finding ways to support those involved in the justice system. Conclusion. The scope of criminology is vast, encompassing every aspect of crime and its impact. It is essential because it offers a scientific and evidence-based approach to a complex social issue. Criminology strives to understand crime, to improve our responses to it, and ultimately to build safer and more just communities. Next time, we'll explore how criminology interacts with other disciplines, borrowing and contributing knowledge in crucial ways.